How to install apps not available in your country. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how you can install different apps that is not available in your country. So let's just get right into it. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open Play Store or App Store depending on the device you have. So I'll just open up Play Store over here. So let me just quickly search for an app that's not available in my region. As you can see here, I've searched for an app called Motor Inc. and it's saying that this isn't available on Google Play in your region. Now, in order to be able to download the app, you need to install VPN first. Go to the search bar and search for VPN. And once you search for VPN, you can install any kind of VPN here. And what you need to do is figure out where the app works first. And once you've figured out the location, you can go ahead and open up your VPN. And once you have opened it up, now you can go ahead and open up your VPN and go to the location tab. Now search for the location where the app is available. You can just go ahead and search for it and it will show you all of the free servers. Sometimes you might have to pay for the VPN, but if it's available, then you can just go ahead and use any server you want. Now tap on OK and it will start connecting to the VPN servers. Once it's connected, you'll find the key icon at the top of your screen, indicating that you have been connected. Now you can go ahead and go to the search bar and then you can just search for the same app. But unfortunately, this app is not available to the region that I'm connected to. So uh, that is how you basically do it. You can just go ahead and install any app you want from there. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.